The 2022 Denbigh Agricultural Exhibition attracted a large crowd of attendees from all walks of life who came to participate, watch, and enjoy the festivities.
Denbigh 2022.
Farmers and fishers, the effort we're making here at the Grow Smart, Eat Smart Denbigh is for you, is about you, and is to make sure that you know that you are valued by the government of Jamaica and by the people of Jamaica.
The Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries and the Jamaica Agriculture Society JAS collaborated to encourage farmers, fishers, and youngsters to participate in the agro event to showcase Jamaica's best in the industry. Among the many highlights, the 2022 return of Denbigh witnessed the official launch of the ministry's Grow Smart, Eat Smart campaign.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the Grow Smart, Eat Smart logo. Put your hands together.
The event's success was enthusiastically praised by Janet Pollen, Projects Marketing and Training Manager for the JAS.
Jamaica is reggae, Denbigh is agriculture, and so it impacts the lives of every farmer and an entire agriculture sector. One of the things that is very prominent here is that technology. Technology is the way forward, and a lot of our farmers and patrons who have come here have seen the significant work and the impact of technology and the agriculture sector. The other area is that a lot of young people are now gravitated to the agriculture sector. And one of the things that we have to recognize is that agriculture is not about just planting and just actual farming, but there's a wide gamut within the agriculture sector.
This event is also part of a national push to improve food security by reducing our reliance on foreign producers. The youth have answered that call by developing a Grow Smart system to help increase the country's output.
What I have here is one section showing a nursery room for a small plant, and the next section showing an hydroponic system for larger plant.
We are promoting sustainable agricultural technologies, and so we actually have incorporated the use of an aeroponic system with a solar panel, and we have actually automated. So what we are actually doing is monitoring for our fish tank the pH, the water level, the temperature, the dissolved solid, and whatever parameters that are out, we are able to automatically adjust. We also have a pump that is pumping to our aeroponics on a timer base.
We are actually in the Youth in Agriculture Village, and we are showcasing most of the products and the activities that we engage to promote the government's Grow Smart, Eat Smart campaign.
We're actually displaying two skill areas. The first skill area is mechatronics, and the second skill area is mobile robotics. So mechatronics, the basics of it is that it deals with systems integration and process automation, while robotics deals with automation.
We are showcasing the three-dimension or cross-section of what would be going on inside of your beehive at home while you can't see. But here, you get the experience of seeing what is going on inside there.
Let us congratulate.
There are also competitions among the parishes. Patrons then sat in anticipation, waiting to hear the winner of the parish pavilions.
46 points. Let us congratulate the Clarendonians.
The livestock contest showcased the best in animal rearing. Prime Minister Andrew Holness presented 18-year-old Highgate student Angelique Chen with her trophy and a $500,000 check for winning the Youth in Agriculture competition. The newly crowned Farm Queen also made an appearance at the event.
I feel elated, I feel blessed, and I will definitely work extremely hard to uphold this title that was given to me. I want to stimulate interest for youth in agriculture I also want to, rebrand agriculture to show it in a more positive light, and also to increase agricultural education throughout the entire Jamaica.
What can be said is that this year's Denbigh was nothing short of impressive, showcasing vegetables, small businesses, livestock, plant life, and people. Great things are the only thing we can anticipate for the future.
There were some aspects of Denbigh that we weren't able to do. So for example, you notice with the livestock, we never saw the massive cows that we are used to because we didn't have enough time to prepare them. But this Denbigh can stand on its own. It has been tremendous, the sort of success that we have seen. We intend to even do better. So come next year, Denbigh will be bigger and better.